but not the one below.
Yeah, so you gotta follow it down. Circle this all the way down. That might help you.
Alright.
Okay. So, Nathan, I'm gonna bug you now. Is the alligator eating the circle ones? So which one is it? If it's not eating it, it is too cute. Screw it. Right here, look.
Oh, yeah,
Hypotenuse, not eating it. It's not eating it. Doesn't matter which side the hypotenuse is on. If it's not eating it, it's acute.
Oh, okay, alright. Sorry.
So it's acute. It's little. Too tiny. Okay.
Wait, can you scroll back?
You got 5 seconds. Okay.
My grandpa has
Okay. We're gonna try C.
Oh.
Yeah, we know E was fish. We'll get there. We'll do that one next. Okay. Joanne. Which one? How do I set this up? What do I do? Why are we talking while I'm talking? Uh-huh. Okay. Abby, which one's the hypotenuse?
that one.
What number is it?
39.
Okay. So, we get 121 plus 900 equals 1,521.
Do we have to write these down if we get it?
Yes. Which one, Abby, is the hypotenuse still?
One below 39.
Okay. All right. 121 plus 900 is 10,000. 1,000. Wow. 10,000. 1,021. And has my hypotenuse moved to the other side? It's still right here, right? Okay, but the sign has changed. Courtney, which one is bigger? Is the alligator eating the hypotenuse?
Yes.
If it eats the hypotenuse, is it an acute angle, a right angle, or an obtuse angle? Which one would you want to eat? The bigger one, right? So it's bigger. Obtuse. This alligator always eats the bigger one. If it's eating the hypotenuse is obtuse. It has obtuse angles. Okay.
What about all those other ones?
Alright.
56. Or you just solved that. Oh, no. That's
It comes really easy. Let's do E, because it has one with a square root in it, and then we'll move on. We got 1, 2, and square root of 3.
Can we do D?
D will turn out very similar. Okay, first somebody's taking the, I got one right. What is the square root of 3? So I'm going to plug that in my calculator. 1.7 something. So square root of 3 is actually smaller than 2, right? So 1 squared plus the square root of 3 squared equals 2 squared. Because the biggest number is always the hypotenuse.
Isn't it just 3 then? Squared?
Yes. Remember, my hypotenuse. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Remember, my hypotenuse. 1 plus 3 is 4. Still my hypotenuse.
It's a right triangle. It's a right triangle.
And they are what?
Equal.
So it is a right triangle. Jada, did you ask me a question?
Wait, why is the square root of 3?
Because when I plug the square root of 3 in my calculator, it comes up as 1.7. So which is bigger, 1, 2, or 1.7?
Wait, you said
1, 2, and 1.7.
Oh, okay.
So 2 is the biggest number, so that's why it's there. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because I know when I'm like 3, that should be the hypotenuse, but it's the square root of 3. Okay.
Right triangle.
I think you guys can do example 4 because I really talked about that yesterday. Should we do the application? We don't have time, really. All right.
We don't have time.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we can start on our homework. Tomorrow I'm probably going to start with writing.